Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO Reno 4 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM card into the device. Now before we get started, we will need a SIM eject tool. Now this comes provided with the device in the box, so once you get it, you will need to pop out the tray that is located on the bottom of the device. So right over here. Take out the tray and you'll have space for two different SIM cards on basically either side of the tray. So you can place it on whichever side you like, it doesn't really matter. And from there, insert it back into the device. Make sure that the longer side of the tray, as you can really see, there is a longer side right here and the shorter. So you want to get the longer one to the edge of the device, like so. And give it a second, it should pop a pin for the SIM card. There we go. So let's insert that. And there we go. That is how you would insert a SIM card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.